Hello everyone, it's Shel C from PaperOcotilloStudio, and it is time to announce the Shel's birthday giveaway winners. I decided to do 16 because we're almost to 16,000 people. So the first winner of a 5x7 print is Cindy Henson. I'm using the YouTube random comment picker to pick the winners. Second winner is Tina Marie Driscoll. There's going to be 15 of these. So just bear with me. This is a short video. Third winner is Carol Hughes. Yay! And the fourth winner, coming up soon, Marty Seeley. Now you all will need to contact me and give me your mailing address, of course. Fifth winner, De-Stress with Yoga. Now, if you're that person, please let me know who you are when you contact me with your address. Say, I'm distressed with yoga, because that's not an actual name. Probably can't send that to you with that word. Our words all run together. Next winner is Norma Jean Bray. That is number 6. You'll all be receiving a 5x7 print of the art that I made, along with a little ATC made by me. And the next winner is Patricia Rogers. Congratulations, Patricia Rogers. Number 8 is Cindy Bagley. Number 9, coming up, Daisy Cochran. And the next winner, number 10, is Gina L. I'm sure L stands for something. Could be anything. Lee, Lindell, I don't know. And the next winner is Lynette Ray. That's number 11. This thing is a fun little tool. I get to push buttons and it just picks things randomly for me. Number 12 is Sherry Vanderpool. Congratulations, Sherry. And number 13, Rebecca Day. And number 14, there's 15 of these ones. The Hippie Woman, another one that needs to tell me their name. And the last one, number 15, for the 5x7 prints and the ATC made by me, will be Stacy McGee. So here is a printed list of all those people. If your name is on there, you got to contact me and tell me what your address is. Can't mail it to you if I don't know what your mailing address is. And now for the grand prize winner. She will win the original artwork 9x12. That is in a frame. The winner is Joyce Sloman. Congratulations, Joyce Sloman. You have won the original art piece. Send me your address so that I can mail it to you. So the way to contact me is by my email, PaperOcotilloStudio@gmail.com, or through the Facebook Messenger Shel C. C-E-E. Says it right there. Shel C on Facebook Messenger. Thanks, guys. Bye.